Hello, parents and carers. So, turning up here to our assembly live. Hope you will enjoy our assembly.
What excellent music! It makes me want to dance.
Pharaoh, your fathers have come with some news.
Great Pharaoh, we bring you good news. The river Nile is flooded, the inundation has started. The black land will be rich with fertile soil.
The flooding of the Nile, the inundation happened every year in ancient Egypt. After the inundation, the level of the Nile would drop, and rich, black, silty soil would be left behind. This is where the Egyptians grew their crops.
The height of the Nile determined the amount of crops that the Egyptians could grow. If the inundation was too low, it would be a year of famine.
Good news indeed. We must honor Happy the Nile god.
Happy was one of hundreds of gods that ancient Egyptians worshipped. They believed that if Happy was kept happy, the Nile would flood. The floods were actually caused by rains in the Ethiopian highlands.
We will give you animals as sacrifice.
You are good farmers. Now go and come back when you have a good harvest.
Great Pharaoh, your scribe was to show you their work.
Simple of that, I mean, art.
This eagle is symbol for A. This bird is an M. S is a piece of cloth. This E is shown by a sail. A piece of cloth for the final S.
They have been practicing a Chilean chant, Great Pharaoh. Would you like to hear it? Give me an eye, give me an eagle, give me a bird, give me a cloth, give me a star, give me a clock, put it all together and you go. Ramses!
These guys please me. Send them extra oil for the burners.
We are able to use hieroglyphs because of the discovery of the Rosetta Stone in 1799 by a French soldier, Pierre Francois Bisson.
It looked a bit like this and was found in an old wall in an Egyptian town called Rosetta.
The stone had 3 pieces of writing on it, one in hieroglyphics, one in Demotic, and one in Greek. This helped another freshman called John Christoph Chamberlain to work out what the hieroglyphics said.
Hello, I am John Christoph. I was obsessed with ancient Egypt from the age of 7. I studied copies of Rosetta Stone at the age of 17. It took me almost 20 years to work out what it said.
It is because of the people like John Christoph and the great archaeologist Howard Carter that we now know so much about ancient Egypt.
Oh, you won't have heard of him. He's not around for another 3,000 years. Good to see you again, Lord Carnival.
Enough of that, old boy. You've been paying £1 million off and still didn't find a chill cookie cleaning out like this.
I think we got something this time, Lord Carnival. A water boy found some steps. He dug down and the name Tutankhamun is written on it in hieroglyphics.
Chop then, old boy. Show me.
This is it, Lord Carnival. I'll just make a hole in the top corner here.
What can you see there? Can't chop. Can you see anything?
Yes, wonderful things.
Later that night, Carter wrote his diary.
First I could see nothing. The hot air escaped me from the chamber causing my flame to flicker.
but presently, as my eyes grew accustomed to the light, details of the room emerged slowly from the mist. Strange animals, statues of gold, everywhere the glitters of gold.
Come on, get this bowl down!
It's completely untouched. I can still smell the perfume and flowers.
This is the discovery of the century, the tomb of the Boy King. Well done, old boy!
Very interesting, but I feel in the mood for some music. How about a song? Slave, bring in that new group. What are they called?
Do you mean the Albamas, Great Pharaoh? They have had #1 hit in both banks of the River Nile. They have lost in 2 hits, Letter from Gazelle, I Would Walk, 500 cubits, One Numbered, One of Eketa.
Yes, they are the ones. Bring them in.
First we stop and Bonnie and the tank called people where they wash the body with palm running out water on the left side. They come and take out the organs and to dry them out. Nature solves the leaves. The heart is left inside. It's the center of it all. Intelligence and healing are needed in the long haul. What happens to the brain will like smash through the nose. Now they saw the whole body from the head to the toes. The afterlife is where everybody wants to go. The afterlife is where you want to go when you die.
That was fantastic. I can't wait for the next album. Thank you for watching our assembly. Comment, like and subscribe.